this makes the second stand of the morning. We actually tried to call this spot right off the bat, but as we was coming in, we bumped a coyote. Watched it go in this block of woods right here. Pulled out and left, went call another stand. Didn't have any luck there, and now we're right back in here. Hopefully, that coyote just went there and bedded down and called him back up. Oh! Whoa! Oh yeah. Happened pretty quick. It's just 4 minutes right now. They've been bumping through some more pup distress just in case there's another one in there, because we've killed several multiples out of this place from years past, couple triples, doubles, you know. But anyway, I'll take you a single. What do you think, David? Let's go up there and get this thing. It's happened pretty quick, and it was definitely a hard charger. This grass ain't all that tall, but you cannot see that coyote right there. It's like he disappeared. Hopefully he can get up and run off while we're celebrating. Should be right here close to the call. I thought he was gonna run right over top of it. Yeah, I see him there. He ain't. He's right there. Right here's the call. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps from the call. Male coyote. Ooh. Hell of work on it, Dave. Work, buddy. Shot right there in the point of the shoulder. I don't know if we saw a coyote when we were running in. I don't know, you know, when we was coming in here, I don't know if this is the same coyote or not, but it's a pretty good chance. Right there's a block of woods we seen him go into. Plan worked out all right. Well, here we are, an absolute gorgeous July morning. It's actually, what was it, like 56 degrees this morning when we first started off. It was really cool. I almost wished I had a jacket on, but anyway, awesome stand right here. We actually come here first stand in the morning, bumped this coyote on the way in, watched him go into this block of timber, left, went and called a different stand just so this coyote would calm down. Come right back in here, got set up, and it worked out just perfect. Started out with some female D-pals, just run, you know, 4 or 5 howls, and then switched in right into coyote growls and HP coyote pup. Just kept bumping back and forth between those two sounds. Here come this big male coyote, come burning out. Come right up 9 steps from the call, barely got him stopped. I was practically screaming at him to get him to stop. Stopped right there for a good shot, coyote down. Thanks for joining us on Tooth and Claw TV.